Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. So here we are again for another video, and I'm pleased to say that fall or autumn is officially here because the person that puts the knitted items on the post box in our local area has changed the cover to an autumn one. So I can definitely guarantee that it is autumn. So I've been doing a little bit of autumn shopping still. As I say, you can never have too many pumpkins. So Primark have got more stuff in. I did a video a couple of videos back if you want to watch it, and everything that was in that video is still there, but they have added more stuff. There's a really cute fox mug and loads more pumpkins in all different shapes and sizes, so I couldn't resist picking up a different shape and coloured pumpkin. And I did also go and check out Poundland's new range for Halloween, and again got some pumpkins that I just thought were different from the ones that I already have. So I have been keeping you updated by doing some little YouTube shorts where I just show you these little things as we progress rather than saving them all up, especially things that kind of sell out fast. So check out my YouTube shorts because I will have posted my little shopping trips, and also I have been putting them on Instagram because I did have somebody ask me to put them on Instagram also. So if you prefer Instagram, you can head over there to check out what I'm up to in the reels. I've got two Instagram accounts now. I've got my AJ Craft Ideas one where I show crafting and decor, and then I set up a dollhouse one, a crafted dollhouse, so that people could see my dollhouse journey. And I have been posting sort of from the moment I bought it and then showing each room as I decorate, and then obviously you can check over on YouTube and watch the videos that go with that story. And I have also been posting shorts on there and reels, so you can see what I'm doing currently as well. And then obviously eventually I'll catch up and the whole story will be on there for anybody that's interested in the dollhouse. So I have got a sneaky little peek at the office. Next week's video will be part one of my office makeover. As I said, I've been inspired by my real office makeover. So I posted a short the other day where I showed the blind that I made using a cut off from my real blind. So that was pretty cool. And then I've made a new desk for my office that sort of matches a bit more my desk. So it's really exciting, and I am posting shorts. So again, check them out on here or Instagram. That'll keep you updated. So today I'm actually showing you a previous video. When I first got my laptop, I did a craft video and I couldn't figure out how to speed things up, so it was a terrible 30-minute video of real-time crafting, and I don't think loads of people watched it. And I know I've had some new viewers, so I've re-edited it. It's now much shorter, and there's just two cute little craft ideas there that are really easy to do, and so I thought I would share that with you today. So I'm getting crafty today, just trying to use up some things I've got lying around the house, or I like to do makes with things that are cheaply got, or things I already have. So I have this little canvas I've had for absolutely ages. And then a doily. I've got a set of doilies, and then this blue paint I bought when I was doing up my truck, and then those paints I had for my paint by numbers painting that I did. So I thought, well, let's just use these bits up and see what I can do. So I'm going to try and create a little easy to do artwork, sort of a sign, using the doily as a kind of a stencil. So I'm going to wrap the doily sort of around the picture, so I can sort of do around the sides as well, so make it sort of a little bit 3D. So I'm just going to sellotape that in place and then just pull it nice and tight, and it should work really well. Obviously I'm just having this one go. I would probably I'll have a little practice first, maybe, get the skill right. But I'm just showing you what you could do. The good thing about these canvases is that, you can paint over them, because I had two of these, and I have used one for a fall one where I painted the whole thing with acrylic colours, metallics, coppers. So I'm going to try this out today, but if I get bored of it or if I don't like it, I can just paint over the whole canvas and have another go. So I'm going to use the blue, and I'm just going to big brush and dab it on and cover it over. Nice and simple. So there we have it now. It's done. So just going to peel it off, and ta-da! I've got a bit of a lace doily pattern around the outsides and on the top and the bottom. I think that looks quite nice. As I said, you can experiment. I did toy with perhaps layering with different colours and using the doily in different places, but I thought I'm just going to fill in the bits where on the doily there was a picture. I'm just going to fill in with a contrasting colour. I'm just going to put some dots in, but again, you could do whatever you want. That's the thing with my makes. I'm just showing you one idea, but hopefully inspiring you to have a little go and try something of your own. Take my idea with the doily and make it your own. Use your own colours, embellish it how you want. You could add sequins, you can add ribbon, you can add all sorts of things really, but I just thought it's a little canvas I've got lying around, and I'm just going to turn it into a little sign and then hang it up in the craft room. And then, as I said, if when I get bored of it, I can cover it over with paint, or even put some, wrap some paper around, or do some decoupage. So it's kind of like, something to use, but it can be reused, which is appealing, because I don't like to waste things. So I always keep loads of things for crafting, and then I just try and think up ideas of things to do with them, because I just find it therapeutic, and I enjoy doing it. And then, as I say, I put it around my house, or I give them for presents, and it just makes me feel good, and hopefully it inspires you to do things that make you feel good. So there you are. I've put the contrasting colour in, and I'm just going to fill in all the gaps until I'm happy with it. Now I'm going to put some letters, some crafting letters, and I've got loads of letters, and I get them from the pound shop and the works and the range. You can get them anywhere really. So I'm just going to use the letters and put a little message on to turn it into a sign. So there we have it. I'm going to put it up in my craft room to encourage me to get creative and stay inspired. So I'm just going to try it up here. Took that picture off and hang that up there. And as I said, you could put any message you like. And those canvases are very reasonably priced. And as I said, I've had that for ages, so I'm just glad that I've thought of a use for it. Okay, so I've had a little rethink. I've changed the pictures around. I've put it down a little bit lower, and I've put another little sign that I made, and I think that actually looks nice. And I can sit on my chair in my craft room, and I can look up there and go, yes, let's get creative and stay inspired. And now I'm going to think about what else I'm going to make. Okay, so my next idea, I'm going to use up some lolly sticks. I got loads of lolly sticks when I did my doll's house, so I've got plenty to use. If you've seen one of my craft videos at the start of this year, I did some snowflakes as part of my winter decor, and now I'm going to make a little house. So I'm going to paint them blue to start off with, and then I'm going to paint some pink for the roof, and then I'm going to embellish and make it into a cute little house, which can be part of the decor. So I'm just going to leave you to watch. I think it's all fairly self-explanatory, and I'll see you at the end and see what you think of the finished product. Okay, so I'm just going to try it in different locations around the house and see where I think it looks best. As with all makes, this is my version. You can, I was even thinking maybe on the roof you could put your family name, or you could, if your house has a name, it could have, so you could use the roof for a message as well. And of course, you can personalise all the bits. I mean, I've just used all the bits of material that I have. You use what you've got, basically. So really, you only need the lolly sticks, and then the rest of the stuff, just get it from around the house. So I'm trying it downstairs as well. There, so that's a possibility. Perhaps a little bit later on, around springtime, on the front door. I quite like that. I think that looks quite sweet. So that might do before we go for the Easter wreath. So that's a possibility. And where else could I put it? Right, yes. The classic place in between the living room and the dining room, where we often put a lot of our wreaths. I think I'm going to leave it there for now. Let me know if you think which way you think the best place was. But I hope you've enjoyed that. Again, I've enjoyed making things. I just like to do things, hopefully things that adults are interested in for crafting, and also they're quite useful decor items for the house. So I always try to have a use for them, and I always try and recycle things that I've already got or make things quite inexpensively. You don't have to spend a lot of money to cheer up your house and make yourself feel good. So as always, thanks ever so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next week. Bye bye for now. Bye bye.